Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it's that particular shade of blue? It's not just a matter of aesthetics. There's a whole scientific explanation behind it, and it's quite a fascinating one. The story begins with sunlight. Sunlight, although it appears white, is actually a mixture of all the colors of the rainbow. When this light reaches the Earth's atmosphere, it doesn't just pass through unaffected. It interacts with the molecules in the air, particularly nitrogen and oxygen. This is where a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering comes into play. Named after the British physicist Lord Rayleigh, Rayleigh scattering is a process that occurs when light travels through the Earth's atmosphere and is scattered by the small molecules in the air. It's more effective at scattering shorter wavelengths of light, such as blue and violet, compared to longer wavelengths like red and orange. So why does this make the sky look blue? It's because these shorter wavelengths are scattered in all directions by the air molecules. As a result, when we look up at the sky, we see more scattered blue light than any other color. But wait, you might ask, if violet light is scattered even more than blue light, why isn't the sky violet? The answer lies in two factors: the sun and our eyes. Firstly, the sun emits more light at the blue end of the spectrum than it does at the violet end. Secondly, our eyes are more sensitive to blue light than violet light. Our eyes have cells that are particularly tuned to detect blue light. So we see the sky as blue instead of violet. Now, what about green? Green light is indeed part of the spectrum and is scattered as well. However, the blue light is scattered more efficiently due to its shorter wavelength, and our vision is attuned more to blue light. This combination makes the sky appear blue rather than green. The color of the sky is also significantly influenced by the position of the sun. During midday, when the sun is high in the sky, it passes through less atmosphere, and we see the most scattered blue light, resulting in a clear blue sky. However, as the sun begins to set, the light must pass through more of the Earth's atmosphere. This longer path causes more scattering of the shorter wavelengths and removes much of the blue light from our direct line of sight. The longer wavelengths like red and orange are less affected, leading to the beautiful reds, oranges and pinks of sunsets and sunrises. Other factors can also affect the color of the sky. For instance, pollution or dust particles in the air can scatter different wavelengths of light, sometimes leading to hazy skies or more vibrant sunsets. The presence of larger particles in the atmosphere, like after a volcanic eruption, can also change the sky's color. In summary, the blue of the daytime sky and the stunning colors of sunrise and sunset are the results of an intricate dance between sunlight, the Earth's atmosphere, and human perception. Rayleigh scattering plays the lead role in this dance, scattering the shorter blue wavelengths of sunlight in all directions. Our eyes and the sun's emission spectrum determine the exact color we perceive. And as the sun moves across the sky, changing its angle and the thickness of the atmosphere it shines through, the color of the sky shifts in a daily spectacle of natural beauty. Each day, from dawn to dusk, we witness a dynamic canvas that tells the story of light, vision, and the very air we breathe.